내가 학교가. 내가 학교가. If you notice, the word in red letter is 내가. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word 내가. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 174. 내가. 내가. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ne, second syllable is ga. Pronounce it with me. 내가. 내가. The meaning of the word 내가 is I or me, and this is used as a pronoun. This is also used to pertain to yourself as a subject of the sentence. How do we write 내가 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write it, we need to draw first a neon character followed by an e character. For the second syllable ga, we need to draw first a gye character followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word 내가. Now that we have an idea about our word for today, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, I am going to school. Again, I am going to school. The Korean translation of this sentence is 내가 학교 가. Again, it's 내가 학교 가. The Korean sentence is composed of three words. 내가 학교 가. The first word is 내가, which is our word for today. As mentioned, 내가 is used to pertain to yourself as the subject of the sentence because the ne part means I and the ga part is a subject particle. So, when you say 내가, you are specifically saying that you are the subject of the sentence. The second word is 학교. We already discussed it on this channel and we know that it means school. The third part of the sentence is ga. This is a short term for gacha, which came from the root word gada, which means to go. So if these are combined, it would result to a sentence that means I'm going to school. Looking back to this, which is shown at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 내가 학교 가 is simply I am going to school. And with that, you've just learned 내가. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 164 to 173. But don't forget, word number 174, our word for today is 내가, which means I or me as the subject of a sentence. Word number 173 is 후배, which means junior or someone younger in experience. Word number 172 is 선배, which means senior or someone older in terms of experience. Word number 171 is 안 돼, and this is an informal way of saying no or no way. Word number 170 is 콜, which means deal. Word number 169 is 좋아요, which means I like you. Word number 168 is 나도, which means me too. Word number 167 is 아기, and this is the Korean noun for a baby or a young human. Word number 166 is 오늘도, which means today too. Word number 165 is 돌아와, which means come back. And the last for our review is word number 164, haru, which is the Korean noun for day. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.